all his money on the PNJ Kabaddi Academy, but my money completely lies here on Amit Ashok Academy, my favorite team, and I am wholeheartedly going ahead and openly supporting this team because the captain Ashum Malik and also the corners Mohit and Akshay Kumar with Ronak and Deepak looking at the covers and Ankit supporting Ashum Malik. What a strong side this looks to be. This is definitely a recipe of a top class encounter along with Vishal as well on the lineup. But this is PNJ Kabaddi Academy. The semi-finalists where the Super 6 stages were coming into this match. PNJ Amit Ashok Academy comes in from the right to left of our screens. He will be definitely challenging on that left corner for sure. Ashish is starting on that mat with left in. Ashok Kumar, a heavily bandaged Ashok Kumar, but look who's pinned him down. It is the right corner. And Ashok Malik has to go out on the bench for a while on the first raid itself. It was Mohit. It was Mohit who started. That was unexpected by Ashok Malik. In comes Himanshu Virendra for PNJ. Did he steal that bonus under Akshay? Akshay says no. Ronak, as expected, that little bit of weak link. Bonus +1 is what Himanshu Virendra gets. A 2-point raid. Look at that. He stole the bonus so comfortably and went in for that long stretched hand touch on Ronak on that right. Hoshiar comes in with a heavily band-aid head there, wondering what would have. Do or die raid. Amit Ashok Academy brings in Vishal Chahal. He has to pull something out of the leaf of luck for sure. Because Fortunate's brave as the brave, and he's got a 12-point raid. He's got a 12-point raid for sure. He's got a Narendra and Sahil, both Academy. Now comes Himanshu with the do or die raids pressure. He goes in strong hard against Mohit. The vice captain of Amit Ashok Academy has to go out.
Number 2 out.
Back on the mat. Look at that. Long stretched arms by Himanshu, making sure he gets it right and gets. Men have counted. What a raid this is, and where is Arvind? I'm just waiting for his reactions. Wow! It's definitely a super raid for sure. And what a raid by the captain in the semi-finals for his team. Let's see how many men have touched him. Once again, it's Narendra Hoshiar. And once again, it is Neetu who's also coming to support. A multi-point raid here. That is what is for Vishal. Vishal Chahal now should make sure that he picks up something out of this, because to maintain that lead, it's so important in front of this strong PNJ Kabaddi Academy. What a raid and what a jump by Chahal. A turning point here for Amit Ashok Academy. They averted the danger of the do or die raid by that 1 point. Ashish needs. Mohit will be trying to put in Ashok Malik's surprise double ankle hold for sure. Look at that. All in the taking. Super tackle on. If they pin Ashok Malik down, they go to 2 points. Has he done a wonder of good? Yes, it has been. And all out here for Amit Ashok Academy. Ashok Malik, the super duper star. What a raid this is. Gets both Sagar and Mohit back. Look at that. A strong hold by Mohit. Hatch. Because this is a do or die match for sure for them. Because the winner of this match will go in to play the finals. What a dubki. What a dubki by Narendra Hoshiar. Gets Deepak this time from that left cover position. He went in very strongly with the chain. But over Narendra taken out. Captain taken out, but vice captain Mohit is there. And Akshay on that left corner brings me so much confidence into this Amit Ashok Academy setup. Himanshu gets. It's all happening. It's all happening. The lady luck favoring both the teams now. Deepak and Mohit, both of them going off. Akshay, super tackle situation on. Has he been touched out? No.
2 points.
Super tackle, yes. There we go. 2 points. Akshay Kumar's might is here. The Khiladi Akshay Kumar will be seen in a few days for a wonderful movie named Bell Bottom. But look at this. Vishal Chahal. Third raid is the sound that we heard from the referee. Right, action about to commence on the court. Vishal gets ready to make in that deadly move or that lethal kick and that running hand touch coming in. Long stretch running hand touch. There we go. Has to go out left corner.
Out.
Vinay, who was guarding that left corner, has to go out now because Ashish, the regular left corner, wasn't there. And look at that Vinay. Retrieving skills not in his face. Look at that. For the confidence, Mohit retrieves very, very well. That's Ronak, in fact, on that right corner on jersey number 10. Akshay Kumar retrieves well. Pressure now on Sagar. Dying times. And the ankle. Oh, and surprise. Ankit it is once again. What a tackle. This is the second time that he's sprung in that surprise. Is Ankit on Sagar again. This time the support comes in on time. No doubt at all. Look at Ronak coming in so strongly. Tackle situation on. Vishal should just run this clock down. He should just run this clock down. Shouldn't be greedy. Shouldn't be selfish. Shouldn't be showing that heroic move. Because look at that. This could happen. This could happen and it has happened. Neetu is the man who's pinned Vishal down for a super tackle. 2 points given away in vain. He could have just held. But Hoshiar showing his Hoshiariness. That brings end of first half. 4-point lead for Amit Ashok Academy, and what a game. What a game that we have had. This semi-final number 2. And I am so missing Arvind alongside me, who can do everything with his man and data. But Amit Ashok Academy has given me the support of doing the talking. Look at that. Ankit.
This is the future, sir.
Oh, there you go, Arvind. Your words have given strength to your team. They have knocked my captain down, Ashur Malik.
See, there is a reason PNJ is a strong team, right? That cover combination of Mohit and Vinay really work well together, and not just when they are in. Obviously, when they are in down to 3 defenders, they know how to work with each other. When they are defending,
but has to come into raid. This time, he has to revive somebody because if he goes back empty-handed, they will give him the bonus. Akshay is very happy giving him the bonus. Not a worry at all. But when he goes back, it's going to be just 2 men on court. This was not required. This +1 now for the captain of PNJ. What am I seeing here again by Ronak? In with an 8-point lead on his back. He will make sure he at least steals the bonus. Toe touch. Has he got him? No, says Ashish. He says, no, you didn't touch it. On that left corner. Now he did. Ashish there going out on that left corner for PNJ.
much raid. So much action on that one raid, right? Ashish, after holding off through the entire raid, got that back kick with that one early raid where Ashu's fingertips crossed across. Then that thing not given. You know, there is.
What do you have to tell about this? What do you have to tell about this now? Vishal, 2-point raid. Lead is 10 points. Count your stars, Arvind.
Fantastic. I mean, good raiding, but too advanced.
The goal was so strong by Mohit.
Lead is now up to 11.
Right. Super tackle situation on. Has Ashur Malik got 2 men? Yes, he's claiming 2 points. There he gets them. 2 point. Ashur Malik, what a raid. He's got both Himanshu and Mohit. Narendra Hoshiar is the only man now standing. There you go, the all-out. Offended and gone. PNG Academy have been all of the second time, Arvind. I'm sure your nails are empty off.
I've bitten off all the nails, Naveen. But you know, one thing that is disappointing to me is how the
Hoshiar this time gets 2 points. Is this a way of comeback for PNJ? They have sent out Vishal. Oh, that's a super raid. It's bonus +2. As you were mentioning,
this is
Arvind,
what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. Naveen. To keep bonus, if you wrong, how much pressure is there on the referees to get these right in real time?
True. Very true.
It's
Very
a
true.
very
Do what I read
such
now.
a fast game.
And there you
on.
go. As fast as the game is, Ashu Malik gets that point faster. Mohit.
Unacceptable
Mohit, the
error
strong
from
man,
the
goes
captain.
out.
Mohit was one of the leading players of the qualifier. He came into today's. What I like about PNG, unlike they are giving it their all, right? They are not. They have not thrown in the towel. They are going for it. They are saying it's just a matter. Two big raids and win the game. And it's not that there is no time. Right? There's another 4 minutes in the game, so lots of time to play for. Look at the trophy what they're playing for. Lots to play for. Ashu go bench.
Actually, pressure of do or die raid there, Arvind, and the pressure of being there, Arvind. Sometimes, you know what happens? The coach here has to be very smart because he would have seen it from an eagle's eye point of view. He would have known what's going to come your way. All out. For the first time here is mighty Mamita Ashok Academy, and Vishal doesn't even get the bonus.
No bonus given. Very good work. I think the PM team was clear that you cannot even give him the bonus because bonus every point you need to still score. So, you know, like we said for the hockey team, he was looking good. He was doing all the hard, right? 5 points. Naveen, do you call a tie?
Right, do or die raid, and what a question. Ankit coming in, goes out. Has he got the bonus? He looks at the referees for the bonus. That is the only claim.
He only saying
I'll answer that. Do you think?
Absolutely. Can the defense put in that super tackle?
And it is a do or die raid. If so,
Narendra
2
is
points.
going to run down the
2 points
clock.
for the taking. Akshay commits that error, and it's Narendra Hoshiar. He's a superstar with that head bandage on. Wow.
What a player. I mean, Narendra Hoshiar has shown so much Hoshiari in this game. It is. I mean, let's be fair.
What is he trying to do?
Trying.
Himanshu,
What
who's
does he think?
always been off color on this match, gets a point. Is that it?
You should not
Is
have.
that it? That's it. PNJ Kabaddi Academy makes it through to the finals as Arvind prayed and broke 101 coconuts. It's all paid off.
101 coconuts led to a game that was almost 100 points, Naveen.